Are you struggling to maximize your website's ad revenue? Google AdX, the programmatic powerhouse, might be the game changer you need. Real-time bidding wars and laser-focused targeting can drive up your ad income and put your ads in front of ideal customers. Google AdX, formerly known as DoubleClick Ad Exchange, is a programmatic marketplace where website owners and advertisers can connect to buy and sell ad space. It operates like a stock exchange, but instead of stocks, it trades ad impressions in real time. For publishers, AdX allows them to sell ad space, trigger real-time bidding, and earn more revenue. For advertisers, it provides access to a vast network of publisher websites and efficient ad spend optimization. AdX increases demand and competition, enhances revenue potential, and improves ad targeting and relevance for both publishers and advertisers. To gain access to AdX, focus on building a strong website, explore partnerships with Google-certified publishing partners, and integrate your ad inventory with AdX. Header bidding competition and the complexity it adds to the ad serving process can be managed through Google Ad Manager integration, waterfall setup, and close collaboration with your Google Account Manager. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.